All right, Jim here. All right, yeah, Jim here. Here we go again. So, Jim to the rescue. So, all right, here, Tom, can you put me on this? So, all right, again, we got the bird stuck in the feeder. So, hang on. Come on, baby. Wait a minute. Hey, I know. Stop. Wait. Wait. I know. Hang on. I'm trying to help you. Hang on. Well, stop twisting. Stop. Oh, stop.
Was it stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop. Well, I'm trying to. How the hell did you get your ass in here like that? I know I'm trying to help you.
Was it stuck or is it off?
And it's. I know. Wait.
Huh? Huh?
It's stuck.
God.
I know, but what? His paw or his beak?
No,
Beak.
his friggin' head. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. All right, we got the baby out. All right, come here. There you go, baby. All right. So again,
You saved the bird.
Jim with again a little bit of feathers, but it's all good. So we saved the baby. Oh, mother of God! What am I, a fucking the bird whisperer? Oh, holy shit! So, all right. Other than that, let's go. We're ready for supper.
Okay.
All right. Jim the hero.